Visualize the freedom and peace you could gain. Start with free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com to identify inaccuracies or outdated information. Research credit restoration services. Use dispute tools from sites like Credit Karma to challenge inaccuracies. Reputable services like Credit Saint, the Credit Pros, and SafePort Law can guide you, but ensure the services aligns with your goals and budget. Avoid companies that promise instant credit boosts or charge upfront fees. You want to allocate funds for credit repair or prioritize tackling items on your report with the biggest impact. For example, those late payments.